course, you gotta bear with me, I'm slow. These clips, you know, I got them set at a moderate pressure. You could actually bend them up a little bit if you choose to do so, to kind of reduce the pressure a little bit so it's not so tight. You know, one thing is you want these even, so you know, just want to make sure that you know, it's pushed down into the cavity. Okay, it's everything in there. Of course, you close the door, smash it all down, and of course, whenever this thing, when you load it in, and the clamps come down, it will squeeze it all down tight. You move the camera so we can see a sew cycle. Okay. Black pedal to close the clamp, and gray pedal to start. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Okay, that's basically it.